done that? One does it. I think it would have been good. One of those hit me in the butt. That was fun.
Not break.
When I shoot, it curves to the right. Look, you can hit that one just out. Oh my fucking god, that's so cool. Thank you. Dude, you remember I was holding it
Did that in the same thread.
Hey, who's in group of three? Group of three? Three?
Group of three here too. Yeah. Should have put us three over there. No! Against Jeremy? Well, I mean, he's not a hard target to hit.
Yeah, you're kind of right.
An accurate count, please, and stop walking around, stop shooting. Right, high balls. Thank you.
Don't listen to her.
Oh, Marky, I didn't even see you there. You're like this big.
What? It worked!
AK on this side, you guys move your hands,
What?
Hey, if you're HBA, raise your hand. Never mind.
GoPro on the mask.
Not mine.
Hey.
You got something on your shirt.
Someone did most of that. Because every time I peek around the right corner, there'd be a left-hander there holding it.
Yeah, but
And then I was just... The little kid is fucking adorable. It's gonna be okay. I can see all I gotta do is look up, carefully walk in the waiting room. Oh, that's what I'm doing. I have the and the school year. I looked up, I got some high school before you started. I'm not gonna talk to high school.
it doesn't matter if it's a school district.
I won't get it.
I'm not. They take people home from it. in one year was similar to my build.
Not my face.
But they'll still line up all the tall kids.
Yeah, no, just burn the fucking
Finishing move.
I'm gonna do it.
Down.
I'm gonna walk it easy.
I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, I forgot to do that. Not if I do it. Hilarious.
Thinking about you actually doing that, not so much.
Yeah, no, because I watched it explode.
Alright guys,
I
listen
asked for
up.
the second, don't worry.
This next game we're called King of the Hill. It involves 5 flags that are scattered around the field. Here you go.
Alright, like she said, this next game on this called King of the Hill. There are 5 flags on pulley systems that are scattered around. Location number 1 is going to be inside the blue room of the kill house. Location number 2 is going to be behind the kill house next to the pizza oven looking structure. Location number 3. Where these 2 closest staircases leading up to the 2-story building at the very top where they intersect, that is going to be location number 3. Location number 4 is going to be on the left-hand side of the field in front of the bus on the brick pillar. 5th and final location is going to be in the far back of the field inside the White House. Like I said, these flags are all on pulley systems, so all you guys got to do, make sure your team's colored flag is raised all the way to the top. When you guys are pulling these flags down, please be careful on them. They are brittle, they are fragile, they are old. Pull the string only, not the flag. Please do not break these things. I don't want to have to fix them mid-game. Understood? Any questions? Alright, red team, you guys are headed to Alpha. Blue team, you guys are headed to Charlie. 15-minute gamma, unlimited respawns.
Alpha, we would have gotten that. Why have we
Take that level.
But yeah, but they can come back.
I didn't think he was actually going to do it.
Let me pit pocket you. I should have won.
Once.
Wait.
Straight ahead. Watch out ahead! Straight down. Yeah, the other way.
Hey, what's up?
Everybody is in the center right now.
My take. Do you want to go through? How much is break?
Going this way. Give me a minute, man.
So, me and Juan got it locked up.